I ordered this. And then we have beef kare-kare. Beef stew pala.
Beef stew.
Mali-mali. Thank you.
Beef kare-kare, pork yun, di ba?
Hindi ba pork? Pork stew.
Pork kare-kare.
Pork kare-kare. Hindi.
Beef stew, tas pork kare-kare.
See? I'm mixing up everything.
Yeah, cause she's drunk.
Not yet.
With water.
What can you say about our first day? Ano ba masasabi ko? First, it was planned. But kasi nagkaroon ng malakas na ulan and minor accidents. I mean, it was fun. Kasi pagkasama mo si Belle, mapupunta ka sa adventure.
Oh, also you need to put the Kasui factory.
Nalaman namin kung paano ginagawa yung cashew nuts. Bet ko yung spicy.
Ako din.
Nagustuhan mo yung spicy.
And then yung may garlic.
Garlic.
We met Ate Melbs, right?
Yes, Ate Melbs. She gave us free tart. Tapos yung langka. So, yun lang. We're just waiting for our food. Let's find out if matutuloy kami tomorrow sa island. Kasi, alam mo na.
So, what's the plan if ever hindi matuloy bukas?
Ano lang. Wi-Fi.
What about you? What can you say about our first day here in Coron, Palawan?
Actually, Coron is very pretty. Super beautiful. I think you can agree with that. At the same time, hindi man yung plan natin, yung plinano kong adventure,
Yes.
natuloy. But at least nag-enjoy tayo sa Lakdayan, which we drove 45 to around an hour from Coron proper.
And then we walked for like 10 hours.
Then, we had a very adventurous day, to be honest. Pero actually, ang ganda ng view habang kumakain kami ng lunch. So, nag-take out kami from Inasal Eats & Co. And then, dun kami kumain sa Lakdayan. Medyo mainit lang. Medyo mainit kanina, tapos bigla kaming inulan. Pero everything was so far, so good. Medyo chill lang talaga dahil because of the rain. But I hope matuloy bukas. Pero we can explore more.
Lalo na, syempre, di ba, yung pinaka pinupuntahan dito
is the island hopping. So, excited akong makita si Dane na mag-swim with the fishes. Sapa. Opa.
Hi!
Close open. Oh, ganito na lang. Sasara, bubuka. Sasara, bubuka. Okay, okay, ready. Okay, sasara. Ila. Okay. Bubuka!
Ay. Kaya na, no?
Thank you po.
Yummy!